So with my boys, your boy Bustenando, andamos con el compa Racing Rig y mi compa Leo atrás de la cámara, viejones. Pedal to the metal, viejón. Ahorita vamos al evento de Texas Truck Invasion en Ennis, Texas, viejón. Para que se pongan listos, viejón. ¿Verdad, Rick? Sí. Aquí andamos lavando todos los mendigos carros, viejón. Bueno, nomás andamos lavando.
Nomás la que no va a llevar para allá para ese moro.
Sí, nomás que no va a llover para Texas Motor Play. Y no se les olvide, racita, to like and subscribe. Y también tenemos un update en la OBS, esa la verde, a meter el motor. Y ya ordenamos el turbo, ya tenemos todos los turbos, los wastegates. ¿De qué más le decimos, güey? Todo el piping y todo, ya. So get ready, bro. That build is coming soon, güey. Oh, y también el primo, nosotros, el primo Abel, ya está haciendo el dyno para los carros, güey. Muy pronto tenemos el dyno para estar dyno los carros.
This is another Just Beats production.
So you are watching Pedal to the Metal, the compa Racing Rig, myself Bustenando, and my cousin Tony over there. Tony, what do they call you, Tony? What's your channel?
I don't have one.
Que la chingada. Y mi compa Leo. Mi compa Leo. Make sure you check out my compa Leo. He's gonna drop the Instagram. Ahorita diles, Leo, ¿qué es tu Instagram?
¿Mande?
Dígales qué es tu Instagram.
Masilla LMV.
Ahí está, para que go check them out, bro. Y always go check out our YouTube channel, Racing Rick VR4. So we get para poner contenido, bro. Right now we're gonna go to Texas Truck Invasion in Ennis. It's gonna be lit, bro. It's gonna be lit. Freestyle. He's in a peer pressure to do bad stuff, but you don't listen to him. He's gonna tell you if you want to drink. Hey, Rick, should we tell him the story about his dad throwing up like the Exorcist y caían peanuts or no?
I think we done it, right?
We can.
Probably.
Yeah, I think
Probably told me.
Hey, bro, one time I got your dad, we all got your dad real drunk. It was like a 4th of July.
Actually, it was all of us.
Yeah, it was all of us, but it was like a 4th of July weekend, way. Yeah, 4th of July, we all took off, we were all drinking. And then your dad would go like this, bro. He didn't want to drink no more. Let's see that way. He would go and pour it out like that, nigga, and his whole shoulder was full of beer. And then on top of that, he started like we stopped at the gasoline station to buy more beer or more drink, and he started buying snacks. Like he bought like those Mexican peanuts and shit. Y que se empieza a estar gomite, güey, y se agota like that, y los peanuts will fly everywhere.
Salía completos.
Yeah.
Se va a enojar, güey, por lo que matas.
Sorry. Hey fellas, if you guys are watching that story,
¿Tú qué quieres tomar, Tony? What do you want to drink?
Gatorade's fine.
He takes a Gatorade. Leo, he's on beer. ¿Tú vas a tomar cerveza, Leo?
Sí.
Nah, he likes Challenger, bro. Mi compa Tony, no, he's not racist against cars. You know what I'm saying? He's got an import. I had an import.
I was gonna buy a Challenger.
Was gonna buy one.
No, a Charger.
A Scatty, no?
Yeah, I wanted to buy a Scat. Or not a Charger. Actually, no, I wanted to buy an SRT 8300.
Oh, okay, yeah, those are badass. What kind of motors do those have, wait?
Like the one that I wanted, the 392.
Okay, yeah,
So
Scat Pack.
Still a Scat Pack.
¿Y tú, compa Leo, tú qué tipo de muela quieres, güey?
El Charger me gusta.
¿Una Scat o un Hellcat?
Daytona.
Ok, está
O Daytona.
también.
¿Es que traen 5.7?
Yeah, 5.7.
There's two of them. There's
Oh,
the
really?
5.7,
The 392.
the 392,
Oh, for real?
and then you got the King Daytona, and that's a Hellcat.
No way,
Oh,
for
shit.
real?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yo pensé que los eran 5.7.
Pues yo nada más sé, hablando de Challengers y Mopars, yo nada más sé que mi pinche Challenger se va a chingar el carrillo de Tony. That's all I know.
Tony va a decir,
I mean, we could do
no
it.
speak
I
español.
mean, we could do it tonight. You know, I mean, I'm just saying, if they want to go there. A ver si lo deja su dad.
Just here in the morning, just on the freeway.
Yeah, bro, on the freeway, you're really gonna. The freeway vas a valer verga, bro. I swear to God.
Dice que el carro de él. Dice que el carro
True
de
or
él.
not true, Rick?
Our
No,
last
pero
time.
yo me lo dirigí ayer. Y dice que el carro, bueno, no más el carro de él. Even this one. This Hammer got a lot of gears. This one already.
Yeah.
So dice el Tony ayer, my car in the freeway when I rode with the cars in the AO Coromel,
Yeah.
los gano y en el same cars in the freeway they always beat me. Porque dice Tony que como mi carro es old school, son los gears están muy largos, entonces el RPM va mucho, acaba recio, entonces te vas como recio, you know.
What is it, a 3000?
So, yeah. So Tony dice que el de él como es nuevo, how many gears your car has? Like 10?
8.
Okay, yeah. So a year, you know, like, you don't waste time.
Yeah.
Don't waste time.
It's kind of like me, bro. I get straight to the nitty gritty, right?
Yeah.
Like, bitch, you gonna fuck or not?
Yeah.
Something like that, right, Tony?
Yeah. Something like that.
You don't want to say he doesn't want to say that because in case he has a girlfriend and she's watching the video. So we thought, bro. Like,
Sí, sí.
Tony, is that what you say? Is that what you saying? Is that what I heard? Here or whatever. I don't even say it. Yeah, so I try to do a little, taper on the right side and it didn't work out.
You think your Challenger could skate?
Yeah, it's proven, bro.
What?
My car will be a scat pack. Matter of fact, you know what? My cousin Juanito from Ceviche Loco, his cousin or brother-in-law, someone in his family has a scat pack, bro. And when he drove my car, he was like, and I could call him too, and he was like, Fern, your shit's way faster, bro.
Oh yeah, because you know it's like more.
You could ask him, bro.
You got little tuning shit, you know.
Like he's probably asleep right now, but I'll call him like after lunch, and he'll say that shit.
Yeah.
But I mean, it'll be a good race.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, Tony, like not to brag weight, but I bought for like $100 from what's it called and mind you, this is before I bought the Corvette, right? But this is like before I bought another tune for my car weight. You know what I'm saying? Like a better tune. I ain't gonna lie, when I did that shit, bro, it's fast, bro. Yes or no, Rick? It's fast. Like Rick would just barely step on it, bro, and we're already beating that fucking shit thing, bro.
Yeah.
Because you know, I don't want to run right here, you know, like
Yeah.
it's still there, but at least.
But all I know that when I run Tony on the highway, no compassion, bro. Me lo va a chingar cacho, bro.
Tony.
I'm gonna whoop that ass, bro.
Y lo que te gane, güey, ¿quién es ese Tony?
$100, bro. I'll give him $100.
$100.
It's all right, I'll give him. But if he loses, he's got to give me $100. But hey,
How much?
about a bus. A bus. Dark bus.
That's all. Y con la pegada.
And if he was to beat me, it's gonna be like those little mini buses.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Like that much of a gap. Not a big difference, but it's cool. ¿Verdad que sí, Tony?
Yeah.
Tony, I'm just playing with you. This is all for camera, bro. Tony my
Puro
kinfo.
show.
Yeah, puro show. Tony my kinfo. He might beat me, bro. He has a little chance. Like if I get a text message from a girl or something and I have to read that, he's gonna beat me.
Porque ahí, like I said, the way Tony told me yesterday about the highway, maybe it's true. Right, Tony?
Here's the thing.
I don't know.
Here's the
That's
thing.
what
I have a
I'm
video.
thinking.
I have video of us.
I'm pretty sure that's why.
I have a video of us being a coyote. Like I don't have no videos of him beating other cars.
Who? Tony?
Yeah.
Oh, mayorities are doing that. Same thing.
But that's what I'm saying. I have proof of us beating a coyote, even though I wasn't the driver. But I didn't drive that day because I fucking had, I'm not gonna lie, this is TMI, but that's when I ate that chivo, bro, and I kind of had diarrhea.
Oh, el domingo.
Yeah, when we ate that chivo, bro. Guys, your boy Bustanando. We're here at the Texas Truck Invasion. It's going down. I got my compa Leo behind the camera. I got Racing Riggs, my cousin Tony over there. It's finna go down right now, man. We're walking around. We're doing our thing down here, bro.
This is another Just Beats production.
With it, guys, your boy Bustanando, Racing Riggs, Leo, Tony. We're up here right now at Texas Motorflex doing the Texas Truck Invasion. But let me tell you right now, it is scorching hot over here, bro. Está bien caliente a madre, bro. The event's cool. I feel like it's getting a little lit. I haven't seen any racing, but we did see 2 trucks go down the track, so hopefully they'll turn up, bro. But it's hot, bro. Look at this motherfucker. I got the fucking working roofing shit on right now, bro. You know what I'm saying? But if you made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Para que estés chequeando si te gusta este tipo de videos.
This is another Just Beats production. This is another Just Beats production.
cóctel que nos sacaste, compa.
No, es cóctel, ¿eh?
Miren, viejos.
Está con madres.
¿Cómo te la pasaste, güey?
No, chido, chingonzote. Un pinche desmadre.
Lo llevamos allá con los tacuaches al compa, a los puros tacuaches.
A toda madre.